Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into the largest natural flower garden in the world, the breathtaking Dubai Miracle Garden 2025. This year, the garden has pushed creativity, color, and engineering to a whole new level with brand new installations, refreshed classics, and immersive walkthrough experiences you absolutely cannot miss. Whether you're planning a trip soon, just love travel videos, or want to enjoy a peaceful floral escape in stunning 4K, this full tour will take you through 12 must-see spots inside this record-breaking paradise. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's explore Dubai Miracle Garden 2025 edition. The Grand Floral Boulevard. We begin our journey at the Grand Floral Boulevard, the garden's magical entranceway that sets the tone for everything ahead. Every season, the design team reinvents the look, and in 2025, they've created the most immersive opening walkway yet, a kilometer-long corridor shaded by thousands of fresh blooms suspended above you in twisting patterns. The air is noticeably cooler here, thanks to the natural humidity created by the dense flowers overhead. You'll spot roses, petunias, marigolds, geraniums, begonias, and several new hybrid varieties introduced exclusively for this season. The floral canopy changes color as you walk, starting with soft pastels, then shifting into warm pinks, and ending with vibrant purples and blues. As sunlight filters through the layers of petals, the walkway glows in radiant gradients. It's the perfect slow-motion intro to the Miracle Garden's world of creativity. And it tells you right away, you're not just visiting a park, you're entering a living piece of art. The Emirates A380 superstructure. Our second stop is one of Miracle Garden's icons, the Emirates A380, officially recognized as the largest floral installation on Earth. For 2025, the design team has refreshed the entire structure with more than 6 million flowers. This year's color palette is more dynamic than ever. Instead of uniform layers, the wings and fuselage now feature swirling gradients that echo the movement of air currents. The engines are wrapped in densely layered blooms, and at night, the entire plane glows with synchronized LED highlights that mimic real aircraft lighting. Standing next to the A380 is always surreal. The scale, the detail, the scent, it's unlike anything you'll see anywhere else. It's one of the most photographed attractions in the garden, and trust me, it's even more impressive in person than on screen. The Floating Flower Village. New for 2025 is the Floating Flower Village, an ethereal zone filled with suspended houses, windmills, and lanterns covered head to toe in blossoms. Each structure is mounted on discrete support rods and tension cables, giving the illusion that the entire village is drifting in midair. Soft background music plays throughout the area, and gentle mist sprays create a dreamy, cloud-like atmosphere. Visitors can walk underneath and around the floating houses, and everything is arranged to cast colorful shadows on the ground below. This section blends fantasy with engineering, making it feel like you've stepped into a storybook realm. Kids love this area, but adults often become the most enchanted, especially photographers, who can spend ages capturing the shifting lights and floral reflections. The Floral Castle and Kingdom Gardens. Next on our list is the Floral Castle, a towering structure inspired by European fairy tale architecture. For 2025, designers expanded the castle's footprint, added taller turrets, and reimagined the royal courtyard area around it. Massive floral tapestries drape the outer walls, each one hand-planted in intricate patterns that resemble medieval crest designs. Inside the courtyard, you'll find themed pathways representing a kingdom of seasons, with 4 smaller gardens dedicated to spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The autumn garden is especially striking, blending orange marigolds, deep red celoseas, and rustic brown ornamental grasses in a swirling layout. Meanwhile, the winter garden uses blue and white flowers combined with frosted sculptures to create an unexpectedly cool visual experience. The castle remains a top spot for selfies, couples, families, and anyone wanting a magical backdrop. The Heart Tunnel. Of course, no tour of Dubai Miracle Garden is complete without the iconic Heart Tunnel. Even if you've seen it in older seasons, 2025 brings fresh designs, new color arrangements, and a cleaner, more organized pathway. Each arch is now constructed with reinforced frames, creating a neater shape, and the flowers are arranged in perfectly coordinated gradients. Petunias, geraniums, dianthus, and verbena mix together in harmonious waves of red, pink, white, and lavender. It's romantic, it's classic, it's Instagram heaven. There are also new side alcoves added this year where you can step off the main walkway and get private photo moments without blocking the flow of visitors. The Robot Garden. Now let's dive into something completely unique. The Robot Garden, introduced in 2024 and expanded significantly for the 2025 season. Here, massive futuristic sculptures, some standing up to 10 meters tall, are covered with thousands of tiny blossoms woven into their frames. The robots are designed with sleek lines, LED accents, and mechanical details inspired by modern sci-fi films.
The contrast between delicate flowers and industrial shapes gives this zone a visually striking energy. Several robots have articulated parts, such as moving arms or rotating heads, powered by discrete motors hidden within the structures. If you're someone who loves futuristic art blended with nature, this area will be one of your absolute favorites. The Smurfs Village. The Smurfs Village is back for another year, bigger, brighter, and more detailed than ever. This is Smurfs Village 4.0, and the upgrades are impressive. Mushroom houses now feature layered floral textures, giving each home a lusher and more organic look. Papa Smurf, Smurfette, Brainy, and the rest of the gang appear in new positions and scenes, such as a giant Smurf picnic setup and a flower-powered workshop. Kids adore this area, but let's be honest, so do adults who grew up with the cartoons. Whether you're taking photos or just appreciating the craftsmanship, the Smurfs Village is one of the most joyous corners of the entire garden. The Lake of Reflections. One of the most peaceful areas in the Miracle Garden is the Lake of Reflections, a carefully curated water feature surrounded by floating floral arrangements. The lake was redesigned for 2025 to enhance visibility of reflections. The water is kept incredibly still, and the edges are lined with low wooden decks where visitors can sit and relax. Floral sculptures, including swans, butterflies, and abstract shapes, hover just above the surface, creating mirror-perfect duplicates in the water. As you move closer, you'll hear soft nature sounds installed through hidden speakers, adding the illusion of natural wetlands. It's a beautiful spot to take a break from walking and enjoy the serene side of the garden. The Butterfly Passage. Next, we step into the Butterfly Passage, a long walkway framed by enormous butterfly wings made of flowers. The scale is remarkable, with some wings rising higher than a two-story building. Each section features a different species-inspired color palette. One butterfly uses bold monarch colors, oranges, blacks, and whites, while another mimics a blue morpho with intense ocean blues and shimmering accents. At night, the wings glow with bioluminescent-style lighting, turning the passageway into a radiant neon dream. It's difficult not to feel uplifted as you walk through here. It's vibrant, whimsical, and one of the garden's most iconic new structures. The Floral Clock 2025. One of the most technically impressive installations is the Floral Clock. Updated annually, the 2025 version is the most complex yet. The clock is about 15 meters wide and fully functional, powered by a precision mechanism synchronized with Dubai's official timekeeping system. Surrounding the clock face is a tapestry of flowers arranged in geometric patterns that change across the season. Every quarter hour, a soft melody plays, and the floral segments rotate slightly, a subtle but beautiful movement that surprises many guests. It's not just the clock, it's a timekeeping garden sculpture. The Umbrella Park. We now enter the Umbrella Park, a colorful, shaded zone designed for comfort and creativity. Hundreds of vibrant umbrellas hang overhead, arranged in shifting wave patterns. The floor beneath is dotted with cafe tables, snack kiosks, and artistic benches wrapped in floral shapes. It's not the most structured part of the garden, but it's one of the most relaxing, especially if you visit during midday. Grab a drink, sit in the shade, and enjoy the bright colors drifting above you. This is also one of the best areas to take a break if you're doing a full walking tour, as the umbrellas help lower the temperature significantly. The Love Lake Terrace. Our final must-see stop is the Love Lake Terrace, a romantic viewing area inspired by Dubai's famous heart-shaped lakes. The terrace is elevated slightly, giving you a panorama of heart-themed floral sculptures arranged in concentric rings. Flower colors shift from lighter pastels at the edges to deep reds and magentas in the center, creating a visually striking gradient. Couples love this place for photos, but even solo visitors appreciate the quiet panoramic charm. And in the evening, soft golden lights outline the hearts, creating a warm, glowing scene that perfectly caps the tour. And there you have it, 12 must-see spots inside Dubai Miracle Garden 2025, from iconic classics to visionary new installations. Every year, this garden proves that creativity has no limits, and somehow each season becomes more impressive than the last. If you enjoyed this tour and want more 4K explorations around the world's most beautiful destinations, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss what's coming next. Until then, thank you for joining me on this journey through one of the most magical places on Earth. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.